This one move can strengthen your knees, build your balance, and even improve your confidence. It's called Tai Chi Walking backwards. You may see, if you go to Asia, lots of grannies doing this. And I want to break down in this video the 4 stages of Tai Chi Walking. And if you want to follow along with me, let's do it together. So, stage 1, strengthening. So with Tai Chi Walking, to take it nice and slow, it's about loading the toes, putting the weight into the toes, then loading into the heel. And you can see I've got this nice stretch in my Achilles, and then I bring up the next foot, load the toes, and then come into the heels. Now what this is doing is a few things, opening up the ankles and strengthening the Achilles, and it's also strengthening the tibialis, which is this muscle in the front of the shin. Now, if you have knee problems, and I had knee problems hiking and doing Tai Chi, it's not because necessarily the knee is bad, it's because all of the muscles around are weak. So to have strong knees, you need to have strong tibialis, calves, quads, hamstrings, and glutes. And that is going to bulletproof your knees. And so surprisingly, despite this being quite a simple move, if you really load the toes, then you are strengthening that tibialis in the front. And if you load it here, you can even rub your finger into the tibialis just on the side of the shin, and you can feel that it's loading. So if you've got knee pain, if you do this, walking backwards 5-10 minutes a day, it can be a really powerful way for you to strengthen your body. Going up hills as well. Every time you have a hill, turn around, do it backwards. Walk backwards up the hill. Say the hill's this way, I'm going to walk up the hill backwards. Really easy, really fun. Let's go on to stage 2. Stage 2 is trust. So I'm not looking back like this. I'm not looking behind me. I'm trusting that I'm going to be okay. So obviously sometimes look back, don't want to crash into something, but it's about relaxing the shoulders and just enjoying that Tai Chi walk and seeing if you can free up your energy as you walk backwards. It's quite a good trust building exercise. All right, stage 3 is opening up the chest as well. So as you step back, it's almost you're swimming backwards like this. So this is a great way for you to open up your chest, open up your shoulders, and let me know what the name of this should be. Let me know in the comments. Beautiful, so you're opening up. Another great warm-up move. Beautiful, stage 4 is to enjoy. So I'm in a park right now in London, and there's people looking at me, people taking photos, and I don't really mind. And there's a beautiful benefit, a surprise benefit of doing Tai Chi Walking is building your confidence, because you're doing something that other people might think is a little bit weird, and you're doing it anyway, because you're doing you, you're doing your wellness practice and enjoying being yourself. And actually you might be a permission giver. Other people might be looking, saying, oh, I wish I could be that confident to just walk backwards and look a little bit strange. And so this is a beautiful way to build your confidence. I remember doing this with also warming up my voice, going ba-ba-dee bee ba-ba-dee boo boo boo. And this dog came running up to me. Rah, 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 rah. And the owner calls out, he's just saying what we're all thinking, which I thought was a very good one-liner, a good zinger. So who cares, right? And let's enjoy being us and be free to be who we are. So Tai Chi Walking is a beautiful way to do that. So sometimes I won't do the arms open. I actually really prefer loading the toe. It's a beautiful way to strengthen. And then if you want, like the other Tai Chi Walking videos, and I'll link to the other tutorials for Tai Chi Walking, you can play with your movement. It doesn't just have to be backwards. But Tai Chi Walking backwards 5-10 minutes a day, particularly up hills, is a great time to do it. Is an amazing practice for you to build stronger knees, stronger legs, stronger mind, more confidence, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Let me know your experience down in the comments below. And if you want to learn more with me and Master Gu, we have a whole Tai Chi, Qigong and Taoist Academy. There's a free 7-day trial so you can see for yourself, and there's a free course link in the description. Plus there's some other tutorials here on YouTube if you'd like to keep learning. So have a beautiful, chi-ful, confident day.